How's it going, everybody? I'm going to do the DeeZee Tailgate Assist that I bought for my 2014 Ram 2500. I'm going to do the installation video now, and I did an unboxing of it in a previous video. If you want to check that out and see all the components of it, I'm not going to go through that during this video, so I would just check out the unboxing. I'll put a link up to it right now. Other than that, let's get started. The first step is to install the blind nut. It's a couple washers, a screw, and an expandable sleeve that you put inside your tailgate. And as you crank it, 9 times it says, that's why the white marks are on there, it has to be 9 full turns. Inside that little sleeve, it starts expanding, and it won't let it come out of the hole that's in the side of your tailgate. That's how it locks in there. So you'll see me doing that now. Next step is you're going to put some blue Loctite that comes with the ball mount screw. You're going to cover that with some blue Loctite, and then from there you're going to go and install that in that little sleeve that you mounted in the side of your tailgate. It screws right in, and I actually tighten this up with a wrench afterwards. Once you have your ball mount screw in the sleeve on the side of your tailgate, you're going to want to take off that cable that's on the side of your tailgate holding it up, because there's a ball mount plate that goes right behind it. You'll see me doing that now. This is the first mounting point for that shock absorber to really hold up your tailgate. I also put some blue thread locker on that bolt that goes back in to the side of the tailgate there. And now you can go and reattach your tailgate cable. Now on the other end of the cable, go down there with your Torx wrench there and unbolt the other end of the cable there. There's a limiter that limits the turning of that cable, which you're going to want to get rid of, but this thing will not work. You need that thing to be able to rotate freely. It's kind of a pain to do. There's a little lock washer in there that you really have to get under with a wrench, and I started with my knife first, and then I held on to it with a pair of channel locks and just back the screw out of it. Once you have that limiter off, you can go and reinstall that into your tailgate. The final step is to put this rubber sleeve on the piece of the cable. You'll see me measuring down 3.5 inches from the top of the mount there, or the bottom of the mount, I guess you could say. And I marked it with my knife, just put a little imprint on there, and I squeezed it on with a pair of channel locks. It's pretty difficult to get on, especially it's a cold winter day. But what that'll do is protect everything from crushing that shock right there when it closes up. Last step right now, you're going to take the shock and attach it at the top, which clicks right into that ball mount. You're going on to the bottom where you lock that sleeve in there with the ball mount, and you're going to have to stretch out the shock because I'm sure it's small enough to fit into your packaging there, and it's kind of difficult, but you just pull it straight down and it pops right onto the ball. Okay, so now you've successfully installed your DeeZee tailgate assist piston, and as you can see, it works great. And thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.